In this video, I'll be walking you through on how to create your own menu screen in Unreal Engine. Okay, first you're going to open Unreal Engine. You're just going to create a blank project, or you can use one of the templates. You can name it whatever you want, or I'm going to name it menu test. Gonna make sure it's on Blueprint for the code. Gonna hit create. Okay, once it's open, you're gonna go to file and you're gonna click new level. You're gonna do empty open world or empty level. Either one will work. Once you're in, you're gonna hit Control S to save. You're gonna name this menu level. Okay, now open the content drawer. You're right click, go down to user interface and select widget blueprint. Just select the user widget. I'm going to name this WBP menu. Then I'm going to open it up. What I'm also going to do is import my image I had AI generate, and also the music. For creating an image, you can go back to my video to use Midjourney and how to create a good image and what that all implies. And for the audio, you can use Suno, which will create any type of music you want. Just give it a description. You can make it instrumental or not. So that's what I did to get the menu music. Anyway, we're gonna open the level blueprint. We don't need the event tick, so we can delete that. You're gonna drag from event begin play. You're gonna search up create widget. You're gonna select class. You're gonna go to your menu. Then you're gonna add to viewport. You're gonna connect those. So now when the menu level opens up, it'll tell it to open this right away. Here we're going to drag out a canvas panel, image, we're going to anchor this to full scale and reset offsets. You can then keep this a color, or you can make it or you can select an image that you imported. lock the image or your background. You're then gonna add text. Make sure it's not text box, just the regular text. Anchor this to the top middle. And then I'm gonna realign it. I'm gonna make this the game title. And then you go down to font. You can make this bigger or change font family. And you can lock that, or you can change the color. You can lock it to make sure you don't accidentally change it when it's out of place you like. Or then add a button. Drag it on there. You can make this big. You can move it wherever you want on the screen. For me, I'm going to put it in about the left corner. Then I'm going to add another text and put it in there. As you can see, the text is in the button. Now put something like start, or you can add multiple buttons if you want to add a setting button. You can also align it to different places. Make text bigger. Buttons smaller. Okay. Make this red. If you don't want the button to be shown, you can go to background color and change A to 0. This will make it to where you don't have to click on the text exactly, but this will just in this button area. You're then going to check is variable for the button. I'm just going to add a menu of events, like on click, on pressed, on released, on hover, on unhover. For right now, we're just going to press the arrow on clicked. It's automatically going to add a nod. You're going to drag out. And you're going to search up open level by name. You're then going to go back to your menu level, open file, create another one. This time you can either select an open world, or if you just want to go straight to the game, you can select open world or basic. This I'm going to select open world. Save selection, and then Control S again, and rename it game or whatever you want. go to Content Browser. You can reopen your menu level and save. Now when you press play, it will automatically open your menu. And when you click start, it will switch to the game. Now if you want to add music, you can go to your audio file, right click, and select create queue. Rename it menu music. And double click. Here, you're going to right click on an empty area and search up a loop. Only add the loop if you want to repeat. I'm going to redrag all of them. And you're going to save. And then in your widget blueprint, all you need is the event construct. You're going to drag from the event construct. You're going to search up play 2D sound. And then you're going to select your audio. And then it'll play. Then when you click start, it'll stop. Okay, and that's how you create a basic menu screen.